Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today we have the Fieldpiece, model number ADK7 Deluxe Silicone Test Lead Kit. I purchased these kits. I purchased these this kit for my Fieldpiece SMG 5 standalone megometer. For those of you who don't know what that is, that's this right here. Okay, this is an installation megometer tester, and I purchased these test leads for that purpose because when I first purchased this, they had test leads in it, but not the whole kit. So I found these online for a really good price for Fieldpiece, from Fieldpiece, and that what made me purchase them. And the reason why I'm highlighting them today is because, excuse me, the reason why I'm highlighting them today is because of the quality. I'm out of this is my first Fieldpiece instrument I've ever owned, and Fieldpiece they do sell instruments that electricians could use, but Fieldpiece is mainly geared towards HVAC technicians, and it's one of their go-to products, or brand name, should I say. But I just want to highlight the quality of these test leads, just in case you may run across a set or a pair of these test leads, and you may want to pick a pair up. Now they are standard sizes that they come, that they come in, and you can use them on just about any multimeter out there or any test instrument that's out there. Okay, so you can. I'm gonna just look at the quality of them. These on this side is the alligator clips, and it's my first time even. I just took them out of the pack. So these, they don't come off as far as not detachable from the leads themselves, but they're nice. They're really nice and real flexible. They don't feel all stiff and cheap like most of them that you see on the market. That's really cheap. And these probes right here are really nice. And how you work these probes they fit right in the top of this megometer right here. That's what they go to. And the test leads are just as nice. So let me just adjust the camera. Okay, the test leads are and probes are just as nice. They're really flexible, high quality, and I recommend them if you run across them. I would recommend them. And they look like the tips are gold plated, and that's really nice. They're really flexible. Let me just take them apart here. But they're really flexible, and if I had to rate these leads in this kit, I would give it a perfect 10. I would give it a perfect 10. I don't see anything wrong with it. So, let me ask you guys to support the channel. You can hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, thumbs up button. Also, you can leave a comment, question, and all that would be appreciated. All of that would be in support of the channel. Now, this video won't be that long. I just want to shine the light on, these test probes, just in case you guys would have run across a pair, and the price is right, and you're in need of some test probes that you may want to pick them up. So, like I said, the model number is ADK7. It's by Fieldpiece, and it comes in the kit. I'm surprised, So, not to hold you any longer, guys, I want to tell you thank you. Thank you all for your past support. Thank you for your future support. And if this is your first time you're on the channel, I hope that you find something that you like. And I hope you just hang around. And if you do so, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. You guys take care out there, and I'm out.